So can you please introduce yourself?
Why klase? Ayaw dagani ang tao nga dili kabalo ba?
Di ka ba mo-pursue?
I'm very independent. Hola.
Hello everybody, welcome to my Chit Chat podcast. My name is Joanna Marie from grade 11 Turquoise. And last night we just experienced an earthquake with 6.9 magnitude, and I hope everyone is safe there. So in this episode, this is a very special one because I will be sharing to you a story of a young student who has responsibility in her elementary to senior high school days. She studied at San Roque National High School, where she became a role model not just a student, but a leader of SSLG. So her story is dedication, balance, and inspiration. So as a high school student, most of us just focus on classes, friends, and fun. But for Anna Godley, things were a little different. She was known for being responsible, always managing her time, her studies, and even leadership duties. So let's get to know better. Let's get let's get to know her better. Please welcome. So hi, can you please tell us about yourself?
Hi everybody. So I am Charis Yimpiam Gable. I'm from San Roque National High School, and last year I've been elected as the SSLG Vice President of San Roque National High School. It was nice. I'm honored to be here to be interviewed by Joanna. Yeah.
Thank you so much. So, can you please tell us how did the sense of responsibility start for you? Was it taught by home or something that developed in school?
Thank you. So, I think nag-start siya sa balay and na-develop na ko siya more sa eskwelahan kay we all know or we have different chores sa balay. So, dito ko nagkuan nga skills na ko nga kaya na ko di ay nga magbuhat og mga butang alone, and I love to make things alone.
Wow. So, can you tell us the story? How did you first join the SSLG and what position did you take?
Actually, it was so unexpected, no? I never imagined it nga may nato kong position. So, nag-start siya when I became the president of our classroom or section, and nag-meeting mi ato, and I really thought nga like normal siya na meeting, then dito gipang elect na din mi as the kanang representative of our grade level, and the first position I ran was the SSLG treasurer, and wala ko ga-expect nga daghan tay mo vote nako since dili pa kay I was very na to sa unang shy pa ko, and yeah nataog jud ko ato.
Wow. So, being a leader at a young age means dealing with expectation, handling challenges, and something that's making sacrifice. So, but those challenges often shape us. So, what was the biggest challenges you face as student leader?
Actually, the biggest challenge was every time ang mga subject teacher no kay dili siya mo considered nga kay dili siya diba nato ma-predict nga naa day may meeting samot nagka mga emergency no, then ang uban student ay ang uban subject teacher dili sila mo considered nga dili sila mo nga excuse me ana nga cert nga specific nga time dapat kanang na-jud mi ana nga nga dili ra ba may makabuot nga dili sad ko ka decline kay as a student leader dapat na ko every meeting. So kanang dili sila mo hatag na mo excuses.
Wow, it's very hard to be a leader. So, um, can you share one of your proudest or most memorable experience of SSLG?
So last year lang ni siya nahitabo no. Kuan jud ang memorable jud siya is katong nag-seminar mi about the mental health at na Talisay Elementary School dito sa Central. Kana memorable to siya kay dahan kayo ko friends na kan kana mga SSLG pud ba dahan kayo ko og na friends ato then dahan kayo kong nakaton about mental health then na dito na ako nabawan nga somewhere there kay na sila mga free nga kanang pagkuan sa mga mental health nya naka-help jud siya nako kay dahon kay ko na-realize ato unsa jud akong personality and kanang unsaon ako pagsolusyon nga kananay problema mo fight ba ko, mo flight ba ko, or may froze ko. So yeah, dahan kay tog mga lessons na ako nahibawan ato nga event.
Wow, it was such a great experience. So, during your SSLG, who supported you the most during that time?
Actually, I'm very grateful to my family and friends because they support me, no, sa akong SSOG journey. Kanang sila, akong friends, akong family, especially my parents, kanang they allow me to kanang mukuyo og mga certain nga events nga dili sa school, like tree planting sa Haklopan, ila akong gisuportahan, ila akong gisugtan nga moadto dito. Kasi layo siya, kay kanang dapat nanam yung student leader no dapat attentive ka so yeah akong friends and my family.
Okay. So, what is the most important lesson you learned as a student leader?
Kuan be attentive you know every event dapat attentive jud ka dili ka dapat mag absent niya ang lesson sa no is dapat kabalo ka mo time management because being a student leader is kan siya kanang dapat kabalo ka mo manage sa imong time dili ka kanang magkara-kara sa everything so yeah ang lesson sa dato kay kuan kanang daghan pa jud ay kag kuan opportunities nga wala pa nimo nakuan tungod sa imong mga ulaw baron ang kuan kay dapat mo take yung risk no everything kay wala jud ka ba if asa ra ka kutob asa ra kutob imong makaya so yeah mo to ang lessons.
Wow, it's very grateful kay it's very nindot because daghan kay ka nakatanan ato. So, in your own words, what qualities makes a good student leader?
For me, para mahimo kang good student leader kay dapat kanang dedicate jud ka ana nga posisyon. Dili kay modagan lang ka for fame or for clout dapat ganahan willing jud ka mo serve sa imong mga students, sa imong classmate or even teachers no. Kay kami motabang masami sa mga teachers so dapat kabalo ka sa imong kagalingon nga ganahan jud ka modagan ana kay ganahan ka mo serve sa imong mga tao sa surroundings nimo. So, actually wala man siya kanang specific na qualities no dapat kabalo jud ka sa imong kagalingon nga ganahan ka modagan because ganahan ka mo help nila. Dapat kanang ganahan ka mo help nila dili lang kay for fame or for clout. Dapat imong 100% jud nimo ihatag imong time, imong effort ana nga specific nga position.
It's very good. It's very important nga kanang um imong full time jud ihatag sa imo kay dili lang jud siya for cloud like wow. So, um how has being a leader back in high school helped you shape who are you today?
Nag-help just shape na ko kan kay dito ko naka-realize nga I can do things alone no karon is I'm a very independent.
Hello guys, so we're back. I'm sorry for the inconvenience because it's very hanging. So again, How has being a leader back in high school helped shape who you are today?
Being a student leader is dahan kay kog na hibaw-an sa akong kagalingon nga I can do things alone jud. And so kada to is na independent na jud ko pagkatao and kanang kabalo na ko mo manage sa akong time dili na kay ko less na akong crown no. Of course mag-crown gyud ko karon pero less na lang gani siya kay na-train na nako back in high school. Na-train na nako sa pag-manage sa akong time and yeah, mo na siya.
I'm so envy you kay daghan kay kang na learn as a SSLG. So last question, what message would you like to give to other students who want to follow the same path? Like it's very struggle to be SSLG. Like you have so many responsibilities. So what message would you like to advise to them?
Actually no, for kuan nga people watching this and ganahan mo mo run as SSLG SSLG leader or student kay all I can say is take jud ang risk kay if naa gani opportunity nga mudagan kadagan jud kay ako no like dagan run for that position ayaw dagani ang tao nga dili kabalo mo dili kabalo dagan mo sa position ayaw sa tao bas so back as I was saying dapat take the risk guys kay akong SSLG is was very unexpected jud kasi like I never imagined or I never pictured myself nga sa kanang position kanang take lang og risk and kanang if ganahan jud ka ana no ganahan jud ka ana butanga go for it ayaw jud na kuan na og naa na gani mo og doon na gani ang opportunity grab it kay ang opportunity dili man na mudagan nimo dapat ikaw ang makuha ana nga kuan dapat so dapat imo siyang i-grab ng opportunity because kanang opportunity is very rare and if ever man gani dili mo succeed dili mo badaog ana nga kan specific position lang try again kay dili man sad every time mudagan ka kay largo na kadaog kay na pod bay uban nimo no kontra nimo kaatbang nimo so if ever dili ka SSLG dili ka man daog sa kana nga specific position kanang next year bata ka ba imo din ang time wala pa kagipa SSLG na nga time kay kabalo ang tadhana nga dili na para imo ang time kay ang tanan nababutang kay naa perfect time so never give up jud no kay that doesn't mean nga if dili ka madawog karon nga year next year or for the kanang next super duper year kay dili na ka madaog so moto siya grab the opportunity kanang never give up and yeah Marta laban lang guys.
Wow, that was an inspiring story. So, guys, that was the ending of the story of Charis Amigable. Amigable
Again, I am Charis Yunti Amigable and always remember that basta amigable, responsable. Bye guys! Mahal ko kayo. Kamsahamnida. Arigatou gozaimasu.
So, thank you so much. So again, guys, that was the story of Charis Amigable, a responsible student and an inspiring leader from San Roque National High School. Her journey reminds us that leadership isn't about titles, no? Not for clout, okay? It's about the choices we make every day to be responsible, to care, and to serve others. So thank you guys for joining us in this episode Chit Chat Podcast. I'm Joanna Marie from Turquoise Gate. And see you again. Bye guys.
Alright.
What's your name?
Bye.
What's your name? Secret. Secret. Bye guys. More active on Instagram.